Hi, hello everyone. Welcome back to Online Study for You, a complete placement solution. So, guys, we have opening from Thinkative and Google to discuss in this video. So, it's completely for the freshers with 0 years of experience for 2019, 20, 21st, and 22nd batches. So, let's see in particularly like which graduates can get into one position and the other in detail. Okay. So, yeah, so if you're very new to our channel, please to subscribe our channel and activate the bell icon as well. So while you activate the bell icon, put this notification option as also that whichever video we upload, you will be getting notified so you don't miss any kind of videos. Okay, so now let's move on to the content. First, we have Thinkative to discuss. Though Thinkative is hiring for the trainee software engineer and coming to the eligibility criteria, BTech, ME, MTech in computer science or information technology or MCA in the year 2019, 20 and 21st pass out only. Okay, so this is the eligibility criteria. Only for these graduates, this opening is available. Now we have the must have following skills. So strong communication and interpersonal skills, OOPS and data structures, front-end HTML or CSS and JavaScript basics, then database, SQL, NoSQL, basic networking, HTTP and HTTPS. Okay, so if you belong to computer science related graduation or post graduation, whatever, then you'll have these things in your syllabus itself. So you just need to brush up things. So if you are confident in that, then this opening is applicable for you. Okay, so this is the must have skills to discuss, and job description, you can just go through that and get to know like what all things you'll be performing there, being employing out there. Next, we have the interview process, that is a selection process. So this is considered considered as 5 rounds in total. So first round is an all-in assessment test, which is the MCQ plus coding, and second round is the L1 technical interview, and third round will be the L2 technical interview. Then fourth round will be managerial and logical round. Fifth round will be the HR round. Okay, so these are the 5 different rounds for this interview process. So you'll be going through like these process on your selection time. Okay, so once you apply, they'll get back to you through mail, and you just keep an eye on mail. Okay, so in this time we would like to express something that we have a course for TCS, Infosys, Wipro, Capgemini, Accenture 10 years question paper discussion. So aptitude and reasoning will be coming under this particular course. So this course is available for just rupees 199, and the starting date is on 27th November to 11th of December, 7 to 8 p.m. So what will be the syllabus or the content is the 10 years question paper. So if you are a student, if who have attended TCS, Infosys, Wipro, like whichever company mentioned here, for multiple times, you might have noticed the pattern of questions. Okay, so if you just get to know the 10 years question papers, then it's so sure that we can assure you that you can pass the aptitude and reasoning section. So here we are there to help you with all the questions from the 10 years, and also the syllabus provided, everything will be covered in. And I'm very confident that after this course you'll be able to attend any kind of aptitude and reasoning. So go with the link that I've mentioned in the description of this video and get the link and apply to this and start your preparation. Okay. So now let's get back to the Thinkative itself. So you might have, the link will be there in the description. You can just go and have a look at all these things. Okay. Now, to apply for that, you can click on to this apply button and continue with the application process. So it's a form wherein you have to fill all your personal information, then I have read the above mentioned details, and you can just agree and proceed like if you want to move forward. So here they have mentioned like this position only for the fresher candidates who are available to join immediately. That's why they have mentioned 2019, 20 and 21st batches. And if you will get selected, then you have to sign 2 years of service agreement. Okay, this is a service contract period, 2 years. And due to COVID-19 pandemic, we'll be working from home. And once situations will overcome, you have to report to Pune office. So office is at Pune. Now currently work from home. And the offered package for this position is fixed, which is 3.2 LPAs, and this is fixed for this 2 years. And after that, the changes may happen or may not happen. Okay, so now I have read the above mentioned things. If so, you can go to the next and go with the application process. So basically, it's same as the other applications too. That is You can give your full name, your gender, email address, then the specialization, then graduation, post and pass out year you can provide from this. 22 also is there, but they want the immediate joining. They have mentioned it clearly. So only till 21st will be getting consideration, and every details of your education, everything have to provide. Then you can give your passport size photo, resume, cover letter, everything, and go for the next. Okay, so similarly, just complete the complete things. Okay, complete registration process and wait for the response from their part. Okay, so this is how you have to apply to that. So make sure you apply to this if every eligibility criteria align with your qualifications or along with your skills. Okay, so that's about the Thinkative available. And next we have an opening from Google to discuss. So this is a bright opportunity for the freshers because they are hiring for the information technology apprenticeship March 2020 start. Okay, that is on March of 2020 only. This program will be starting, and they have clearly mentioned it. The application deadline is before December 2, so apply it to that. And if you have any of your friends who would like to make use of this opportunity, please share this video or the link, anything for them, so that they can also make use of this opportunity. Okay, now minimum qualifications will be university graduate or diploma or equivalent practical experience with tools such as spreadsheet software, email and word processing software, then experience with working with computers. Then preferred qualifications will be willingness to navigate ambiguous tasks, find suitable solutions and seek help or advice wherever appropriate. Then effective problem solving, analytical and communication skills, ability to work independently and within a team framework. Okay, so this is the preferred qualification that they have mentioned. And to know about this apprenticeship, because this may be a new word for everyone, like most of the people, okay, not everyone, but mostly most of them, they have heard about the internship, but this is another kind of that. It is a 12-month program that is almost 1 year, offering training and development of individuals looking to start a career in IT. We aim to build a pipeline for the next generation of IT and operations engineers. If you just go through this itself, you'll get to know how this opening or how this opportunity is held in Google. Okay, so this is it. It's a 1 year program. So basically, I would suggest like 2020, 21, 22 students can try applying here because these are the training batches right now. So you may be able to make use of these opportunities, but like they haven't mentioned any kind of criteria, like only for this, only for that. So better you all people can try that. And now, help support internal infrastructure, escalating issues to appropriate teams as needed, help support internal employees on all of their IT needs across a variety of platforms, including Chrome OS, Mac, Linux, Windows, iOS, and Android, attend the required training and participate in mentoring sessions as specified. Okay, so this is the criteria that they have mentioned, and to apply for that, you can click on this apply button and continue with the application process. So here you have to upload your resume, then contact details, your preferred name, then your primary phone number, higher education details, and then work experience if you have any, or else you can just give. Applying you for your first job, as you provide, then nothing will be asked. And if you were experienced, then you can provide no and give those experience. Then cover letter or other notes. We think your work speaks for itself, so there's no need to write a cover letter. So that's an option only. If you want to add it, then obviously you can add it, or else you can neglect it. Okay, and that's it. And obviously there is a stipend provided. It is a paid apprenticeship in Google, and it too varies because they have mentioned it is for the work experience also. People can try out here, so it do varies. I'm not very sure about the figure available, but there is obviously, Google used to pay high, like most of the companies to provide, like when we compare to the employees, the fresher employees in other company, Google do have a higher pay. Okay, so first of all, freshers, whoever trying for this job, you should not focus upon this CTC provided, salary provided. Any stipend have to go fine for this position. Only thing that you have to focus upon is the exposure that you're getting. So apprenticeship in Google, if you got to know, as they have mentioned, you'll be getting a great exposure and a great walkthrough through this 12 months in an IT sector. So this will help you to fetch a very high paying and very, high profile jobs as well. Okay, so make use of these kind of opportunities to start your career that directly getting into a job. So everybody make use of this, and I will be trying to pulling up most kind of opportunities like this available. Okay, so if you have any further doubts regarding anything that I have mentioned in this video, please do let me know in the comment section, and suggestions regarding the video content, welcome to the comment section. So until I come up again, everybody stay safe, stay happy, and stay tuned to Online Study for You.